Hey there! Today we're going to learn about acids, bases, and salts. These might sound like big words, but they are actually things we use every day. Let's dive in. First up, we have acids. Acids are things that taste sour. For example, the lemon juice you just saw is an acid. Other examples include vinegar and orange juice. Acids can be found in foods that are sour, like pickles. They are also used in cleaning products to remove stains. Next, let's talk about bases. Bases are the opposite of acids. They feel slippery and taste bitter, though you shouldn't taste them. Soap is a great example of a base. Bases are found in things like baking soda and toothpaste. They help clean things and make them shiny. Finally, we have salts. When an acid and a base mix together, they form salt and water. The salt you use on your food is just one example. Salts are also used in making medicines and preserving food. So there you have it. Acids, bases, and salts are all around us. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just enjoying your favorite snack, you're using science without even knowing it. Remember, science is fun and it's everywhere. See you next time.